Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Live.Life.Lovely. Today I am cleaning my kitchen after cooking an upside down dinner last night. That means I cooked breakfast for dinner. So we had waffles, eggs, bacon, and oatmeal. And so I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it motivates you to clean. Comment and like below. My strategy for cleaning surfaces is using my wonderful spray. I love that spray. And then just wiping down the surface after I clear it off. So you'll see me do this a couple times. I'll clear the entire surface, wipe it down, spray it, wipe it down again, and then I'll dry it with my drying towel. Sometimes I use paper towels to dry, but today I'm using the dryer towel. So you'll see me do this throughout the video. So my lovely husband cleaned the dishes. He put the dishes in the dishwasher for me last night, which is great, but my dishwasher is funny, so I always have to check the cups and the bowls to ensure that there's no food on them. So sometimes I have to wipe them out, and sometimes I just leave them in there to wash again. So you'll see me leave a couple of cups and bowls in the dishwasher because I'm going to run the dishwasher again with them in it. So now I'm going to put these dishes in the dishwasher, and once I finish putting them in the dishwasher, I'm going to wash my trusty waffle iron. I've had that waffle iron for at least 4 years and it has been through its share of waffles. So I'm going to first wash the inside. I'm going to spray a little method on there and then add some dish detergent. It's permanently stained, but it still gets pretty cleaned, and I'm going to use this until it conks out. This is actually my second waffle iron. I love these things. They're only about $10 in the store, and if you want to cook a really quick meal for a large family, this machine does the trick. So I just leave the cord out, wash it, dry it, and put it away. So now I'm moving to the refrigerator, and same thing, I'm spraying the refrigerator, wiping it down, and then I'm going to wipe it dry. I'm going to open it to clean the water spout so that water and ice won't come out of it when I hit the lever there. So after I wipe it down, I strategically dry it going in the same direction. So you'll see me wipe in the same direction. This gives the refrigerator its nice shine. And I love to see the countertops and the refrigerator shine after I wipe it. So once that dries, it will be spotless. feel so much better. The kitchen is done. It's nice and clean and ready for another night of cooking dinner. I don't know what I'm going to cook tonight, but I do know my kitchen is going to be clean. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember, life is as lovely as you make it. I will see you next time and hope you have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want more cleaning videos.